Hello everybody, how are you? Good? E aí, vocês estão bem? Que legal! Hoje a teacher está trazendo alguns animaizinhos. Nós já falamos sobre eles, tá? What is this? It's a fish. É o fish? Uau, vocês acertaram! Fish! Wow, it's very good, Manu. That's okay. Okay, tell me now about this. Cats.
Cat.
Ok, I have two cats here. Nós temos dois gatinhos aqui, dois gatos. It's very good. Okay, and now? Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, now, tell me about this animal. Me fala sobre esse animal.
Bunny.
Yes, congratulations, Manu. Bunny. But here I have three bunnies. Aqui eu tenho 3 coelhinhos. Yes, it's very good. Wow, look that. It's a beautiful, no? Quem lembra do nome desses animaizinhos? Na verdade, são aves.
Aves.
Yeah, é o bird?
Bird.
Yeah. How many birds we have here in the picture? Quantos passarinhos nós temos aqui? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? Ok. Nós temos 4. Ok? And now? Whoa, time is over. Acabou. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.